All right, let's make a helicopter drawing on Microsoft Paint. Something simple. So let me share the screen. And, I like to look at drawings and then you get good ideas. So let's do one together. Let's go to Microsoft Paint, open Microsoft Paint, and let's do it simple, a nice simple one using just shapes. So I hit the circle. Let's start off with a circle. And this could be used for your Scratch game or Construct website, whatever device you're using to upload a sprite. Let's do some more stuff. We got the circle. Let's get to the line and maybe do something like this. Click the screen to get off of it. And maybe do something like that. You want to make sure everything is connecting too. Hopefully this all connects. All right. There we can do something like a square now. It's a nice skinny square like that. Then maybe do something like a square. I like using the square. No, don't use the square for this one. That won't work. So let me click back. Don't want that one. Let's go with a line. And we can just go like that. Then we can just go like this. Then maybe get a circle. Just attach a circle to it. Try to get good using the paint program. It's a little weird compared to drawing with your hand. See, if you don't like it too, you can just go back. You're like, oh, let me redo it. See if I can make it more to my liking, whatever. But I'm just showing you. Nah, I'll leave it. Leave that. Then maybe go back with the square. And no. I'll go with a circle here. Stay with the circle. Put it right there, maybe. I'll just go with the line. Let's just keep it simple. Line there. I'm gonna need to make that a little bit further though. Want to connect it. Want to make sure it's connecting. Let me go back. See, keeping it realistic. Want to try to make sure it's touching that. Touching that. All right. So we got that. Maybe you can do a square or a line. I'll try using a square right here just for the blade. It's kind of cool. And you can leave that. And let me go back to the line. You could do a little design in here, maybe something like that. And maybe right there. Here. Okay. And I say just color it in now. It's like a nice, simple style. You put whatever colors you want. You want to make it a colorful one, you can. You can go right here. Maybe put some red. Maybe put a maybe a brown color for that. See, I messed up there. Let me see if I can get it in there. Having trouble putting it in. So maybe worst come to worst, you can always maybe just use a brush, just showing you something realistic. Brush it in there. Have a good steady hand. Boom, just like that. Then go back in there. Okay. Maybe put color that one in, and maybe we just put another yellow right there. So now you got a nice little helicopter. You can add clouds. maybe go back to the paintbrush, right? And maybe put some brown type of dots behind it. It's giving it a little flying kind of illusion. And maybe just get a blue sky. And see how you can start making it come to life. But if you wanted to take your helicopter out and put it into a game, you would select it, I believe. You would have to select it and then hit crop. And you can put this inside of your game and design it the way you want. But I'm gonna go back. I want you to save it. Save as. All right, get good at this. Save as. I like putting it in pictures. I could put helicopter. Save it. And then send it to me on Blackboard. Good job, everyone. Let's try to see if I can end this now. Oh, there it is. Stop share.